President Emmanuel Macron has formally signed 5 decrees overhauling France's labour laws. These are the first major economic reforms since he went into power in May. They will be published next week in the official journal and will enter into force at the same time.
Jamais une réforme d'une telle ampleur n'a été faite depuis
Never has a
le début
reform
de la
of
Ve
such
République.
magnitude
Et
been
jamais,
made since the
a fortiori,
beginning of
une
the
telle
Fifth
réforme n'a été
Republic.
faite en si peu de
And
temps.
never has a reform been made in so
Ce
few
sont
months.
des dizaines d'heures de débats parlementaires,
This follows dozens of
80
hours of parliamentary
total,
debate, about 80
plus de
hours,
300 heures de
and more than
concertation avec
300
l'ensemble des
hours of
partenaires sociaux
consultation with social
pour
partners to
refonder la
refound the
philosophie
philosophy
de
of our
notre droit
labour
du
law,
travail, son
its
état
state of
d'esprit,
mind,
avec des
with
effets
profound
profondément
effects on
structurants
employment,
sur
especially the
l'emploi, en
younger and less
particulier pour les
skilled
plus jeunes
workers.
et les moins qualifiés.
The government says it wants to strengthen social dialogue, an opinion not shared by protesters from several unions on Thursday, the second protest in just 10 days. But unions are struggling to present a common front in the social dispute.